G'day guys, and welcome back to another episode of the Weekly Mixup. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you get updated every week when we release these videos. So today we are making the Pineapple Margarita. So let's get started. The first thing you need to do, grab your shaker, load up with some ice, grab your tequila of choice, and we are going to go 30 mils of tequila, 15 mils of Contro, $120 mils of pineapple juice, and the last piece of the puzzle is some fresh lime juice. So about 15 mils or a little bit less depending on what you like. We'll do about 15 mils. There we go, and shake away. Sit there. With one of these lines we just squeezed, we're gonna just rub it around the rim of the margarita glass. Good old salt. Salt the rim. Cool. Grab your Hawthorn strainer and strain away. And to garnish, just a lime wheel. And there you have the Pineapple Margarita. Enjoy.